Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting this error message in your game, developer has shut down all game servers or game server has shut down for other reasons, please reconnect. Error code 256. Don't worry, in today's video, I will explain what this error means and how you can fix it step by step. So this error usually pops up when the game servers are temporarily down or under maintenance. It could also happen if the developer have shut the servers for an update or if your internet connection is unstable. But the good news is there are ways to fix it. So the first method is check server status. First check if the game servers are officially down. Sometimes the developers shut them for updates. You can visit the official website, Twitter or Discord page of the game to confirm. So the second method is restart the game. Completely close the game, clear it from the background and restart it. This refreshes your connection with the server. The third method is check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the error disappears. The fourth method is clear cache and data. Open device setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Search for Roblox. Click on Force Stop. Click OK. Go to Storage. Click on Clear Cache. If you remember your login credential, your login password, login ID, then click on Clear Data. Otherwise, do not click on it. Method 5. Reinstall the game. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall the game. This ensures you have the latest version with all patches and updates. And the last one, sixth method is wait for official fix. If the problem is on the developer side, sometimes the only solution is to wait until they resolve the servers. So that's how you fix error code 256. Developer shut down all game servers. Try these solutions and in most cases you will be back in the game quickly. So if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends.